Welcome to the world of drones. Okay, I just recently came into the world of drones, and Tello DJI is the cheapest and smallest, let's say, professional drone from Intel and DJI, and this is my review of it. Ryze Tech created Tello DJI in partnership with Intel and DJI. The goal was to offer a small and cheap but still reliable and quality drone that will be used by developers, juniors who just want to have a good drone but they're not ready to give $500 or $1,000 or 1,000 euros for more advanced drones. And that's it. On first glance, Tello DJI looks very small. It looks like a toy, but I wouldn't say it's a toy. It's not a professional drone, although I maybe said it's a professional drone. It's a semi-professional drone because 5 megapixel camera and regular HD 720p video is not the highest quality with professional production. It's like the beginner's quality. But if you want to have footage for yourself, for your family, and just for developing applications or trying out the drone, Tello will be more than good enough. It's easy to start it up. You just put the battery inside, you charge it up via micro USB cable, standard for smartphones. You download the Tello application and then you connect to its Wi-Fi network. You can adjust the joystick controller via Bluetooth, and it'll be easier to control it via Bluetooth with the joystick, but after a few times you get used to flying it with your smartphone. In the beginning, I made a mistake trying to fly with it inside the apartment. You should go out. It's very hard to fly with him for the first time inside. You really have to learn, so it fell 3 or 4 times, but it wasn't destroyed because it has these plastic covers with propellers. So you should go out, especially if you haven't flown with drones before. And with more professional drones, actually you cannot fly inside, you have to go outdoors. The best thing is that it's lightweight, it's small, so it flies fast, and it has only 80 grams. All the photos and videos are downloaded to smartphone. You just have to download them from the app. And the disadvantage is that the battery lasts for like 10 minutes maybe maximum, but it charges up pretty fast in just a half an hour, or after full hour it's totally full. The photo and video quality from this drone is below the standard average offered by today's smartphones, so the video is a bit grainy. Even in daylight, it's not for professional shootings, but for your family, for yourself, for hanging out with friends, you'll have good footage. It doesn't have a gimbal also, so you cannot move the camera, but if you learn to fly pretty good with this thing, and if you have experience with recording and shooting videos, you'll be able to get some pretty good, pretty solid footage. Learning to fly with a drone is like learning to ride a bicycle. It takes time and it takes experience, and you'll be falling. You'll be flying and you'll be falling. It's better to fly and fall with this small guy than with bigger and more expensive guy like this. This one fell too, and it's better to take experience and practice with this one. I wouldn't say it's for professional usage because the HD quality is not superb. It's not premium for professional users, but it's a very good drone to just learn how to fly, and basically that's what it does. And the interface from this Tello DJI is pretty similar to the interface to this Mavic Air. Thank you guys for watching, and I'd like to see your comments. What happens with your drones, and are you thinking to buying a Tello DJI drone? Bye.